To fix a Minecraft Twitch cape that is not showing up, start by ensuring you have a verified Twitch account linked to your Minecraft account. This is a crucial step as it allows Minecraft to recognize and apply the cape to your character. Next, check that you have claimed your Twitch subscription rewards, including the cape. On the Twitch website, sometimes rewards may not be automatically applied, so it is essential to manually claim them. If you have already claimed your rewards, try restarting Minecraft to see if the cape appears. This simple step can often resolve issues with the cape not displaying, as it forces the game to reload and reapply any updates or changes. Another step is to verify that your Minecraft account is set up to display the cape. You can do this by checking your Minecraft account settings and ensuring that the option to display the cape is enabled. Additionally, it is essential to check for any Minecraft updates, as updates can sometimes resolve issues with the cape not showing up. Ensure your game is running the latest version, as this will help to prevent any compatibility issues. It is also crucial to note that Minecraft Twitch capes can take some time to appear after claiming them. If you have recently claimed your cape, try waiting for a few hours to see if it appears. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try contacting Minecraft support for further assistance. They can help to troubleshoot any technical issues that may be preventing the cape from displaying. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Minecraft Twitch cape not showing up and enjoy displaying your unique cape in the game.